80% of the land that is cut down in the Amazon is because of cattle farming, for cows, for beef. We live in a crazy world whereby we are controlled by economics, capitalism, activities. When you look at a person wearing Versace from head to toe, it doesn't mean that that person is happy. You understand? When you talk about happiness, it's like the only thing that they say money doesn't buy is health, but other people believe otherwise. 90% of the people at the groove are not there having a good time. It's for stress purposes. How much do we love gold if we dig it up just to put it in a safe or behind some cage or just on a person's finger? When they were mining rubber in the Amazon, every 10 tons or 1 ton was equal to a death of a person. How does economic activity end up hurting us so much? I understand, because of we can't stand up and say that we need to start acknowledging that people will be the people that they are, and you can't fault them for acting within their character. It's just that the problem is that the person that turned them into the devil is not gonna come today and say that it's my fault they are like this. But it comes to a point where I must take some responsibility. Over 200 people died building stadiums in Qatar. At which point do we draw the line? Is there a line? We need to ask each other. If we don't have a line, then it's very terrible. It's very bad to my brother, who's an enemy or is selling drugs or. But when you start looking at the enemy and say that it's everything that has to have a sleep. Unilever is a corporation and must behave like a corporation. When they do a competition, it's to sell more products. That's the purpose. I understand. Your sports betting is now the saviors of people. Me personally, I feel that we've lost the battle for local spaza shops. We were not strong enough to say that we were going to protect even our spaza shops. I understand why a society that's insecure about our place with other people, unconfident about the money that we are standing on and the place in society, then how are we gonna live together? The funny part is that your smallpox and your TB killed people in the Amazon when the white man was arriving. Today, if we were to visit the Amazon, TBs and smallpox will catch us from the people of the Amazon because the disease have developed by themselves. Oh, shit.